The old 1973 Dodge Charger arrived covered in rust, dirt, moss, and years of neglect. Every panel creaked, every bolt resisted, and the entire body looked like nature had already claimed it forever. But the restoration began one careful step at a time. The sound of dry leaves crunching under boots slowly gave way to the metallic scrape of wire brushes against rusted steel. Thick flakes of corrosion fell onto the concrete driveway while grinders carved through damaged metal with sharp mechanical echoes. Sandpaper hissed across body filler, creating soft rhythmic textures that blended with the low hum of compressors and distant suburban ambience. Inside the garage driveway workspace, every detail became part of the ASMR experience. The clink of socket wrenches, the smooth pull of ratchets, the hollow sound of old panels being removed, and the satisfying snap of freshly restored trim pieces returning to place. Water sprayed across dusty metal surfaces, carrying years of grime away in slow streams across the concrete floor. As the restoration progressed, the Charger slowly revealed its true form beneath the damaged exterior. Bare metal appeared under layers of rust. Primer-coated repaired panels with smooth matte texture. Wet sanding produced soft repetitive motions and flowing water sounds that felt calm and methodical. Then came the deep black base coat inspired by Dominic Toretto's legendary muscle car style, followed by layers of glossy clear coat reflecting the sky and surrounding houses like glass. The rebuilt engine returned to life with a deep V8 rumble after years of silence. Subtle vibrations moved through the cabin while clean mechanical sounds replaced the harsh grinding and scraping from earlier scenes. Fresh interior materials, restored chrome trim, and polished body panels transformed the once-forgotten wreck into a fully revived classic American muscle car. By the final reveal, every movement became quieter, smoother, and more refined. Soft microfiber towels glided across the glossy black paint. Water beaded perfectly across the hood during the final wash. The cooling engine ticked gently in the background as sunlight reflected across the restored Charger's aggressive body lines. From abandoned rusted shell to fully restored black 1973 Dodge Charger, the entire journey became a relaxing mechanical ASMR experience built from metal, tools, texture, motion, and sound.